Did you know that one YouTube short can get millions of views, even if you have 0 subscribers? In fact, many creators are growing from 0 to 100,000 subscribers using Shorts alone. But here's the problem. Most people upload Shorts the wrong way, so their videos get only 20 to 50 views. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 powerful tricks that help YouTube Shorts go viral, even if you're a beginner. Make sure you watch until the end because trick number 6 is the one most big creators secretly use. Trick number 1, the 1-second hook. The first second of your short decides everything. If people don't stop scrolling immediately, your video will die. Instead of starting like this, "Hey guys, welcome to my video." Start like this. You're using your phone wrong. This YouTube trick made me $100. Stop doing this on YouTube. These create curiosity, and curiosity keeps viewers watching. And when people watch longer, YouTube pushes your video to more people. Trick number 2, keep it under 12 seconds. Many viral shorts are actually 7 to 12 seconds long. Why? Because if your video is short, people watch it again and again without realizing it. That increases watch time and retention, which the algorithm loves. Example format: hook to content to quick ending, simple and fast. Trick number 3, use the loop trick. One of the smartest Shorts tricks is looping your video so people watch it multiple times. Example: start your short with a question like, "Wait, did you see that?" Then show something interesting. At the end, it naturally makes viewers watch again to understand. That increases 100% plus retention, which can make your video explode. Trick number 4, use trending sounds. YouTube also pushes shorts that use trending audio. To find them, 1. Go to Shorts. 2. Look at popular videos. 3. Check which sound they use, then use that same sound in your video. But add your own idea or twist. This helps the algorithm recognize your content. Trick number 5, copy viral formats, not the video. This is something many successful creators do. They don't copy videos, they copy formats. For example, 3 facts you didn't know. Nobody talks about this. Top 5 secrets. Things you should never do. These formats are already proven to go viral, so reuse the format with your own topic. Trick number 6, create curiosity. Curiosity is one of the most powerful viral triggers. Instead of telling everything immediately, make viewers curious. Example: instead of saying, "Here are 3 ways to grow on YouTube," say, "The second trick is why most creators suddenly go viral." Now people stay longer to see trick number 2. Longer watch time equals more views. Trick number 7, post more shorts. Most viral creators post 1 to 3 shorts per day because shorts work like a lottery. One video may get 20 views, but another video can suddenly get 500,000 views. The more you post, the higher your chance of hitting a viral video. Bonus trick, the subtitle hack. Always add big subtitles on screen. Why? Because many people watch shorts without sound. Subtitles keep viewers engaged and increase watch time. So let's recap the 7 viral Shorts tricks. 1. Strong 1-second hook. 2. Keep videos short. 3. Use loop endings. 4. Use trending sounds. 5. Copy viral formats. 6. Create curiosity. 7. Post consistently. If you start using these tricks, your shorts can grow much faster. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe, because I post videos about YouTube growth, making money online, and viral content strategies. And tell me in the comments, how many views does your best short have right now?